How to create an account and set up payment method on Contra Freelance. Now in this video, I'm going to be showcasing you how you use or how you can create an account and set up your payment method at the same time on Contra Freelance. First is open up your web browser available, but on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Head straight into their official site, which is going to be the contra.com. So if this is going to be the first time using this platform, just simply click this option here that says sign up, and then you will be having an option to log in using your Google account. So just go ahead and log in first. Now, once you've successfully created an account, you will be seeing these two options. So what brings you to Contra is to maybe share work and get inspired or discover and get hired. So let's just choose any random options here, and then you can go ahead and set up if you do have a current company. If you would also like to hire an individual, just simply click this box right here. Now, once you've successfully set it up, you can build your profile. If you do have any profiles on LinkedIn or on X Twitter or and so on and so forth, you can just simply paste the link here. Now you can add a one-liner, replace your profile photo, and just simply hit on continue. Once everything is set up, you will automatically be redirected into setting up your payment method, and then just simply choose on your preferred one. And that's it. And that's it. That's how you create an account, and set up payment method and the Contra Freelance.